Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, I will take your first state practical. ঠিক আছে? Write down the topic BLS or CPR. Sub capital BLS or CPR. BLS or CPR. BLS bracket likha basic life support. BASIC basic life 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 support SUPPORT basic life support. CPR full form to likha CPR or full form to likha cardio 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 pulmonary 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 cardiopulmonary resuscitation RESUS CITATION resuscitation. Resuscitation.
मैम रिससिटेशन मींस क्या होता है? रिससिटेशन मीन
हम अभी वो wait we will discuss together. Okay, this is the basic life support or the cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Likisa finish.
yes ma'am.
See, resuscitation or three basic things thake. Okay, these are A, B and C. A mane airway. ঠিক আছে? B means breathing and C is your circulation. In airway, you will have to see the movement of the chest of the patient. Okay, whether the chest is moving or not, whether the person is able to take respiration or not, you will have to check in airway. You have to see in the nose, nakhodi sabo lagibo that whether the person is able to breathe in and out. Okay, B is for your breathing, whether the person is breathing or not. Through the mouth, you can check it that whether the person is breathing or not. And C is for circulation. For circulation, you will have to see the heart rate or the pulse rate of the patient. So resuscitation mane A, B, C. Okay, that is airway, breathing and circulation. These three things comes under your resuscitation. ঠিক আছে? Did you understand resuscitation? Did you understand what is resuscitation? Resuscitation মানে resuscitationৰ তিনিটা steps থাকে. Okay, first step to হয় তোমাৰ airway. Okay, from the nose you will have to check for airway. Airway to চাব লাগিব. Okay, whether the person is able to breathe or not. Okay, then B is for your yes.
বুজি পোৱা নাই মেম কি কৈছে?
আচ্ছা মোৰ নেটৱৰ্ক ৰবা resuscitation or তিনিটা steps থাকে. Okay, A, B, C. A, B, C বুলি কয়. A is for airway. ঠিক আছে? B is for breathing. Okay, and C is for circulation. ঠিক আছে? In airway, you will have to see the nose. নাকত দি চাব লাগিব that whether the person is able to respire or not. Okay, whether the person is able to take in the airway or not. You will have to check for the airway. Airway always nakhodi sabo lagibo. Okay, then next is your breathing. In breathing, you will have to see that whether the person is able to breathe or not. Okay, at a dead manu. Okay, a person who has died. You won't get airway, you won't get breathing or circulation on napai. But you and me, we are still living. So we can check the breathing of the person. That is your respiratory rate. Tomorrow already likhisa in vital signs. You have already studied respiratory rate. Our respiratory rate or normal range. What is the normal range of respiration? Anyone? What is the normal respiratory rate?
72.
Huh? নহয়. Pulse one, respiration, respiratory rate. Vital signs on respiration or normal range. What is the normal range? Normal range kiman respiration or? Nobody knows.
Ma'am, 15.
15 নহয়. 16 to 20 breaths per minute. ঠিক আছে? Respiratory normal rate at a minute 16 to 20 breaths per minute is the normal respiratory rate. So breathing out tumi sabo lagibo that whether the person's respiratory rate is normal or not. That is in between 16 to 20. ঠিক আছে? তাৰ পিছত last হয় তোমাৰ C. C is for circulation. Circulation tumi sabo lagibo that whether patient's heartbeat, okay, pulse rate to আছে না নাই. So how will you check pulse rate? What is the normal pulse rate? What is the normal pulse rate? Say. Vital signs amar hoi gol no pulse rate. What is the normal pulse rate?
70 to 80 per minute.
Okay, that is the normal pulse rate. So you will have to check the pulse rate of the person. Okay, so that is all about your respiration. Mane A, B, C. A, B, C comes for your resuscitation techniques comes under three things, that is A, B, and C. Airway, breathing, and respiration. Okay, so now you write down. Basic life support. Write down basic life support, BLS. Basic life support. Basic life support. Then below you write the ABCs of basic life support. The ABCs of basic life support. The ABCs of basic life support. Number one, likha. First point, airway. 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 Now, bulletin. Start with a bulletin at a dot there tolot and write down. Open the airway. OPEN. Open the airway. OPEN. Open the airway. sometimes when there is an accident, okay, too much overcrowding, bahut mane jodi jama hoy jay, okay, if there is overcrowding, then also the person will not be able to take in airway properly, okay, because of which always every time overcrowding is avoided. Okay, you should avoid overcrowding. Open the airway, full stop. Number second point, write down. Position the victim. Position the victim. Position the victim. Position the victim on.
Ma'am, this one is second point.
Yeah,
For
second
airway.
point you write down. Position
Ma'am,
the
for
victim.
hello, ma'am.
Second point, okay. Position the victim
Hello, ma'am.
on his or her back.
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am. The one you gave the airway. The second point is now no.
Airway to means first point you write down number 1 airway, okay. ABC, we will discuss about ABC. So first point you write airway, then below
Yes.
you can write down A or
Open the-
small, anything you can write down, okay. Otherwise you start with a bulletin at a dot there, put a dot and write down open the airway, second dot, below put a dot, then you write position the victim on his or her back, BACK back. That means you have to lie down the patient on the flat surface, okay, on a supine position. Position the victim on his or her back, BACK back. Then you write third point you write down. Find out if the victim is conscious. 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 Comma. Comma. If yes. If yes. If yes. YES. If yes. Arouse. 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 Him or her. Arouse him or her. Arouse him or her. By shaking. By shaking. SHAKING. By shaking. By shaking, comma, response to pain. By shaking, comma, response to pain. PAIN, pain. By shaking, comma, response to pain. PAIN, pain. Finish? Full stop. Next you write check breathing. Next point you write down check breathing. Check breathing. BREATHING. Check breathing. Check breathing. Then below change the paragraph. Dot and write down place your ears. Place your ears. EARS. Place your ears. Place your ears. Place your ears above the casualty's mouth.
Check breathing.
Check breathing. After that, you change the paragraph. Okay. Change the
Check
paragraph.
breathing.
Then you
Yes,
start
ma'am.
with a bulletin at a dot. Put a dot below.
Yes.
Place your ears above casualty's mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth, and look along the chest and abdomen.
Yes, your
Mouse.
And look along the chest and abdomen. Place your ears above casualty's mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth, and look along the chest and abdomen.
look around.
Second point you write down, hear and feel any breath.
Hello, ma'am.
Hear and feel any
Hello.
breath.
Ma'am, আৰু এবাৰ ক'বচোন।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে ৰ'ব মোৰ নেটৱৰ্ক আজি অকমান বেয়া ঠিক আছে I will just show you এটা picture well I'll show you one picture are you able to see screen
Yes, ma'am.
so this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
CPR ঠিক আছে first তুমি কি কৰিব লাগে first you have to if someone is unconscious যদি কিবা accident হৈছে okay if there is any kind of accident or something happened to the person then you have to if you saw someone lying down on the road just like that you won't just see and go away obviously you will go and check what happened to the person what is wrong with the person why is he unconscious you will obviously go and see so first you go and see check and if the patient is unconscious shake him okay shake and shout are you okay are you fine what happened what is your name like that you have to ask if it is a stranger okay because you don't know the person at all so you will have to shake the patient and then you will have to shout are you okay are you all right can you hear me তেনেকুৱা you will have to ask the victim second point is you will have to call for emergency number okay you will have to call for the hospital medical aid after that after calling you can't just remain that let the hospital staffs come let the emergency number come and then save the patient no before the medical aid arrives what you should do you should check for the breathing of the person jodi patient breathing koribo parise na nai okay you will have to check whether the person is able to breathe or not you will have to check the nose you will have to see for the nose see she is seeing the nose whether the person is breathing or not okay with the hands on with the head the chin is slightly lifted up and then she is checking for breathing okay if the person is not breathing what you will do the fourth step is you will have to place your hand on the chest and then you will have to start the compression okay you will have to push you have to do this on the chest okay like this with your fingers tightly closed you will have to press it you will have to give compression to the person okay 30 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 30 times you will have to compress the patient's chest okay then after that push hard and fast about twice per second at least dubar ke you will have to compress the chest okay so as to revive the patient and then sometimes because of drowning okay if someone has drowned and if you see a boy drowned somewhere then you will have to see his breathing you will have to see for his chest movement okay so for that CPR is given so as to revive the patient okay you will see it is written here if you have training repeat the cycle means this compression you will have to repeat for 30 chest pushes mane compression and 2 rescue breaths you will have to give this to the patient later I will show you one video okay by seeing the video you will understand what is CPR okay CPR is nothing but it is just a medical aid okay emergency help that emergency aid that you can take or emergency precaution that you can do at the time of any emergency case might be accident drowning fall from height Okay, so at that time, before the medical aid arrives, what you can do for the person. Okay, so that is known as CPR. Okay, checking for airway, breathing and circulation. I will show you one video. Okay, by seeing the video, you will understand. Let me rubber. Okay, rubber. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you see, okay, how to do CPR on adult. See, actually all these are practical. Okay, if you would have come to university, then I could have done and shown you physically. Into area to how will I show you? So I'm showing you videos. Okay, you just see. See, first you will have to sit like that, and this is a patient. Itu dummy hoy, kintu you can take it as a patient. Okay. If the patient is unconscious, you have to ask, are you okay? Are you fine? Okay, can you listen to me? What happened to you? Teneka just fudibo lage. Okay. Then you have to check for his breathing. See, she's seeing, and now she's coming near the nose to check for airway, whether the person is breathing or not, whether the patient's respiration is there or not. She is just checking, and she found out that yes, he or she is still breathing, he or she is still alive. Okay, to a dead person there is no use of doing CPR, but this person is alive. So now see 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that 30 times double again. Okay, 30 times 1 2 3 4 5, but basic jur ke nohoy, basic jur ke dile what will happen, this the breast, the sternum or the breastbone, okay, the sternum or the breastbone is here, it will break off. So bahut lahe ke dibo lage. After the 1 2 3 4 5 30 times, eneka breathing dibo lage. Okay, through the mouth, mukhodi, from the mouth you will have to give breathing. Again you will start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 30 times. Okay, after 30 times again you will have to give breathing to the patient through the mouth. See, again giving the breathing. Okay, so this is how you give a CPR at a time of emergency to save a patient's life. Okay, this is known as CPR. Got it? Understand or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, I will show you for babies now, because babies and adults are different. Okay. Okay. See, newborn to 1 year, sit down properly, upright in a straight position. Check whether everything is safe or not. The scene safety you will have to check. Check for the consciousness of the baby, and then you won't beat him hard. Just in the feet you will beat baby like that. Means you just anyhow. You just need to shake the baby. Okay. And if the baby is not responding, but you know that his respiration is there, that the baby is still breathing, but no response, then what will you do? See, she's checking for breathing of the baby, whether the baby is breathing or not. If there is no breathing, then again we have to start with the CPR, that is the cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Into adult or nisina. Okay, in adult with pura hands we have given 1 2 3 4 5 6 30 times. Into in babies only 2 fingers, because it's a baby. Okay, you can't use your duta pura, you can't use your 2 hands for giving CPR, because it will break the chest bone of the baby. Okay, so only 2 fingers you will use for babies, for infants. And then See, the depth should be only 1 to 2 inch, not more than that. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you have to give the compression. Okay, after the compression is done, just put your hands above the baby's head, lift the chin should be lifted. Okay, then you will give the breathing through the mouth. Okay, you will have to give the breathing through the mouth. See, the chest is lifted up because of the breathing that you have given through your mouth. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will give on giving. After that, again, you will start with the mouth to mouth breathing. Okay, so as to restore the life of the baby. Okay, there is a difference between baby and adult. Like we adults are not same like babies, and babies are not same like adults. In adult, jodi only duta finger use korile, there will be no effect of chest compression. Okay, we have to use both the hands. Kintu for babies, just duta finger is enough to give the compression. Understand? So this is known as the basic life support or the CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Okay, this is given as an emergency aid. Nowadays, even in all these city malls, okay, be it Vishal or Big Bazaar, City Center, any malls, there also the staffs, whoever are working, okay, the staffs are also taught CPR because it became very much mandatory for everyone to know the CPR technique. Okay, because sometimes if anything happens in the mall, for example, there is an outbreak of fire, okay, there is a collapse in the building, then what will you do? What will the staff do? They can't just wait and sit and wait for the hospital medical team to arrive. So before the medical team arrive, they have to do their own part to save the patient or the victim. So nowadays, even the staffs of the malls and various health facilities, they are taught about the CPR technique. Okay, because it is an emergency aid that you can provide before the medical team arrives. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Raba. Wait for 1 second. This is one more video for CPR. Let me show you. Roba, aru eta ase for babies, okay, for infants. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, swa. See, first, rescuers are there. They are the rescuers will be rescuing the sorry, baby. Okay, they are putting gloves also. Maybe because he or she is in the hospital setting. Jodi bahirot hoy, then you don't have glove, then you can't wear a glove. Okay, but in the hospital setting, you should always wear gloves to prevent cross contamination. Okay. 2 persons are there. One person will be here on the head side, and the other person will be on the end side, on the leg portion. Understand?
Buzanai, ma'am.
Roba. They didn't start the procedure till now. They are just seeing. Okay, see the baby. The babies, jodi duta manu ase, then see the second rescuer, the second person, or the second hospital staff, okay, the second doctor or whatever, the medical practitioners, what they will do, they will lift the baby. Okay, after lifting the baby, they will just shake the baby. Jodi baby thik ase na, just shaking, because babies bur kenekwa hoy, shake korile kandi die, nore hahi die. Okay, so for checking, they just used to shake the baby. Okay, after shaking, what you will do? they will give breathing now. See, the two thumb, these are the thumbs. Thumbs will be on the chest. Okay, here in the mid portion of the sternum, there will be these two thumb will be here, placed here. Agote duta finger use korisile, kintu iyat duta manu ase. So one will be giving rescue breathing, one will be doing the chest compression. Understand? So iyat the fingers will be here, and then see with the thumb 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 তেনেকুৱা কৰি থাকিব. তাৰ পিছত this is a itu eta mask hoy. Okay, eta itu kintu this is not a children mask, it is an adult mask. Okay, 15 compression dibo lagibo. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 compression will be given by this man. Okay, and this will be covering the whole mouth, nose and the lips. Nose and lips, nose and lips should be covered completely with this mask. Okay, see, pura, it should be totally pura covered. Okay, so that air doesn't go out, it should be totally covered, and then they will start with the compression. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 15 bar. Okay, 15 times, 15 times. Then after that, from the mouth, like that. 1 2 again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 15 times, and then he will give 2 breathing. 15 compression, 2 breaths. Okay, yes, because there are 2 persons here. Eta manu hole to, like you already saw the video, kintu duta manu hole, one will give the compression 15 times, aru this man who is standing here, he will be giving 2 breaths from his mouth. Understand? Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So for adult and infants, for infants duta process ase. Okay, if the person is alone, if the person is alone, then I already showed you the video how to do with the 2 fingers. Kintu if in the hospital setting, because in the hospital setting there are lots of doctors, lots of nurses, lots of technicians. Okay, so 2 person can do the compression. Eta manue will with his thumb 1 2 3 4 5 6 15 times, and with the oxygen mask, with the mask covering the whole mouth. Okay, he will give 2 breathing, 1 2 from his mouth. Okay, then again 15 times he will do the compression, then again 2 breaths. 15 compression, 2 breaths. Okay, in a hospital setting. So this is mainly about the CPR or the BLS. That is why the name is basic life support. Okay, when somebody has, when in an emergency situation, this is the basic life support that you can provide to a person. Okay, so the notes, okay, so today's notes, some of them are there, maybe because of network issue or what, I do not know. I will just give you the pictures, you can write it down in your notebook. ठीक है? This is practical. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You all can leave
Thank
the
you,
class.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Are you clear with the CPR?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
understand the video?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Budi Palanai, did you understand? Understood
Yes,
or
ma'am.
not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Tote na palo ma'am, অলপ চলপ।
Olop, actually, upay nai. See, if you all came to university, then I would have shown you, means we would have been face to face, or more practical to, I could have shown you. Kintu, how will I show you now? So I'm showing you the videos. At least videos, like you will be able to understand. ठीक है? You all can also see the videos in YouTube. Instead of always seeing Instagram, Facebook, YouTube videos, you can see all these important things also. Don't waste your time in all this Facebook and all, okay? Try to do something useful.
University খোলার কি হল ম্যাম?
এতিয়া একো নোটিস দিয়া নাই। Only nursing students আইছে এতিয়া বৰ্তমান। Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mhm.